Hello, everyone. I'm here again trying to help educate those that may have a slight fear of AI, some of technology, but preferably on AI, and show you that there are practical ways of using AI without getting caught up in the nuts and bolts and all the techie stuff or whatever, and be able to make good use of practical use of AI to become a better business owner, a better professional, a better person. So one of the things that I like to be able to use AI for is to be able to come up with content. So we know that content is king, and in order for us to be able to get the traffic that we need to our products, to our businesses, as far as like professional, even if you're on LinkedIn, how do you get traffic to your profile to get seen by recruiters? You need some kind of content, something to draw people to be able to find out more about yourself. So what AI can actually do is it can help not only for you to come up with ideas for your content, help write that content, help inspire that content. Just a little plug for myself. As you know, I am also a developer. I develop apps, preferably for AI. I'm working on a few right now, just playing around with some things and seeing if we can actually help some people. One of them is basically an app that will leverage AI and also, really good programming to be able to keep people more consistent and inspire them to write better content. Need content actual help to be able to keep on track of writing really good content, making it really simple, really easy to be able to get that content out there for your audience based on your persona. So, sometimes people have multiple personas and they need to be able to write content. And, going to ChatGPT is great, but the thing about it is writing the right prompts is very important when it comes to getting the right output from your input. So with this app, which is called Inspired, it will take a lot of that stuff out of your way and focus on just inspiring you, keeping you on track, help you to write that content, help you to get it out there, and hopefully be able to get more people to your product and to yourself so you can be able to build that business and build that career, become a better version of yourself. So this is some of the things that, AI has been able to allow me to be able to do, is to be able to provide content. Sometimes in my videos, I go to actually AI to help me to write some of the script, even though I try not to use a teleprompter because I feel that I'm more comfortable actually just looking at the outline and figuring out what I want to talk about and just talking to the camera. But I'm talking to someone that's sitting on my couch. So, you're looking for more practical ways to be able to leverage AI to be able to help you in your business, your professional life, your personal life. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to come and subscribe. You can actually subscribe to my newsletter. Just go to my website, christopherwalker.io, and I will be passing along some tips, tricks, and what to look out for to be able to make AI a partner to yourself. So, have any questions? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.